In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove echo with Davinci Resolve. Removing unwanted echo can make a huge difference in the clarity and professionalism of your audio, whether it's for a video, podcast, or any audio recording. So let's dive in and make your audio sound as crisp and clear as possible. To get started, you'll first need to open Davinci Resolve. This powerful video editing software, known for its robust capabilities, can also handle audio adjustments with finesse. Once you've launched the program, direct your attention to selecting a project. You might be working with an existing project, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Either way, choose the project where you have the audio clip that requires echo removal. Next, navigate to the Fairlight page within Davinci Resolve. Fairlight is a dedicated digital audio workstation within the software designed specifically for audio editing. It's comprehensive yet intuitive, making it a great tool for handling audio discrepancies like unwanted echo. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. Now look towards the top of the interface and find the Effects button. Clicking on Effects will open up a variety of audio modification options. This is where Davinci Resolve's versatility begins to shine, offering a plethora of effects to enhance and correct your audio tracks. Under the Effects menu, you'll find an option called Fairlight FX. Click on this to reveal an array of audio effects specifically designed to work seamlessly within the Fairlight audio engine. These tools are powerful allies in your quest for perfect audio quality. Among the Fairlight FX options, find and select the Dialogue Processor. The Dialogue Processor is a specialized tool aimed at improving the clarity of spoken words. It's particularly effective in reducing echo and reverb, helping your audio stand out crisply without background noise interference. Once you've selected it, you'll be able to access a set of parameters that can be tweaked to adjust the sound precisely to your liking. At this point, you might want to experiment with the settings in the Dialogue Processor to find the perfect balance for your audio. Make sure you have headphones on or are in a quiet space to clearly hear the adjustments you're making. Move sliders carefully and listen to the impact each change has on your audio. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've learned how to utilize Davinci Resolve to improve the audio quality of your projects by removing echo. These adjustments can dramatically enhance the professionalism of your work, ensuring that your voice or any dialogue comes through loud and clear. Thanks for watching and happy editing.